Citing an online article in MLA 8.
In this video, I'm going to talk about how to cite an online article, such as an article from a newspaper or a magazine, using MLA 8. If you haven't watched the overview of citing in MLA 8 video, I recommend you take a look at it before proceeding with this one. In this video, I will show you how to find and format each component necessary to make your citation. We have a separate video on how to format your works cited page. Over here, you can see that I have the 9 core elements from MLA 8 up. I like to keep these on hand whenever I'm making citations because they can be really helpful to refer back to know what elements I need to look for, as well as what the punctuation between the elements is. When I'm citing an online article, I can use this specific template, which comes directly from the 9 core elements: the author's last name, the author's first name, the title of the article in quotation marks, the name of the magazine or newspaper italicized, the date of publication written as day, month, year, and the URL. So let's take a look at how I go about finding each element that I need to make this citation. This is the article I want to cite, and I first need to find the author's name. Right here, I can see that this article is by Ross Douthat. So I'm going to go ahead and type in his name. Last name first, then a comma, and then first name. After the author's name, I need a period. And I know that both from looking at my template and also from what the 9 core elements say. After the author's name comes the title of the article in quotation marks. In this case, the title of this article is Resist the Internet. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in quotation marks. After the name of the article comes a period, which again I can see both in the template and in the 9 core elements. Here we'll want the period on the inside of the quotation marks. Next, I need the name of the newspaper or magazine. This is where this article was published, which in this case is the New York Times. If you're not sure what the name of the newspaper or magazine is, you might try looking at your URL. This will sometimes give you a clue. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the New York Times, followed by a comma, which I can see in both my template and in the 9 core elements. I need to italicize the name of this because it's a magazine or newspaper. And there are 2 ways to do that. Using your keyboard, if you're using a Mac, press Command and the letter I. If you're using Windows, press Control and the letter I. Or you can find this slanted I button and press that. After the name of the magazine or newspaper, I need the date of publication. Right over here, I can see that this article was published on March 11th, 2017. We will write this as day, month, year. So that will be 11 March 2017. For months longer than 4 letters, we can use their abbreviation. So in this case, I'm going to write 11 MAR period to abbreviate March, and then 2017. And again, this will be followed by a comma. Finally, I need the URL. The easiest way to get the URL is to simply copy it from the internet and paste it into your document. Once you've pasted it, if you click on this formatting box, you can select Keep Text Only. This will remove the hyperlink and any other weird formatting that you don't want. Finally, end with a period, which we know we need both by looking at the template and from the 9 core elements list. And that is how you go about making a citation for an online article using MLA 8.
If you have additional questions about making citations, or would like assistance with any other stage of the writing process, please visit us at the Writing Center. This link will take you to our website. You can use the yellow Make an Appointment button to schedule an appointment.